Hello friends, in this video we will be learning the basics of 802.11b. 802.11b is the first standard that came in 1997. This was again released in 1999 as a supplement. There was again a new amendment with an introduction of higher speed physical layers in the same year. This is non-QoS. This operates in 2.4 GHz. The MAC layer needs to support functionalities such as DCF procedure that defines CSMA-CA, support multiple rates, need to perform scanning, fragmentation and defragmentation, synchronize the BSS, authentication and association. Different physical layers are defined with data rates 1, 2, 5.5 and 11 Mbps. Oh, it was too short. That's all for this lecture. Thank you for watching this video.